Marabun, culinary enthusiasts. Welcome back to Hospitality Island, your gateway to the vibrant world of flavors. Today, our journey takes us to the heart of Middle Eastern cuisine with our feature presentation. Arabic cook job description and definition detail. Join us as we unravel the secrets behind the artistry of Arabic cooking. Job title: Arabic cook. Place of work: Food and Beverage Kitchen Department. Scope and general. Purpose of job: the Arabic cook is fully responsible for the entire food operation of the kitchen section he or she is in charge of. Responsible to: Arabic chef. Responsible for: none. Main duties: 1. Displays good teamwork attitudes towards colleagues. 2. Assists the Arabic chef in determining all food production for banquet functions, restaurants, and outside catering. 3. Ensures that mise en place is ready before the service. 4. It displays creativity in production items and service style in concert with the established standards. 5. The working hours are in accordance with the established duty roster issued by the executive chef. He is expected, in exceptional cases, to support the department by extending his duty hours until such time that the emergency is solved. 6. Attends the daily kitchen briefings. 7. Trains staff up to standard. 8. Ensure proper handling of equipment, prevents loss and damage to assets and goods. 9. Ensures and enforces the highest standards of sanitation and hygiene. 10. Co-responsible for proper costing of all food items served in the assigned. 11. Ensures the quality and freshness of food is always up to the highest standard. 12. Supervises proper receiving processed food as well as proper storage of food and raw material. 13. Prepares all food required for banquet. 14. Set up Arabic food according to agreed standards. 15. Develop for the chef an adequately based menu considering availability of local raw foods and ingredients, level of sophistication of cooks and to the style and standard of the hotel. Other duties: 1. To ensure that all employees report for duty punctually wearing the correct uniform and name badge at all times. 2. To assist in the building of an efficient team of employees by taking an active interest in their welfare, safety, and development. 3. To ensure that all employees provide a courteous and professional service at all times. 4. To assist in the training of the employees, ensuring that they have the necessary skills to perform their duties with the maximum efficiency. 5. To supervise the employees within the department, ensuring that the correct standards and methods their duties with the maximum efficiency. 6. To ensure that the department's operational budget is strictly adhered to and that all costs are strictly controlled. 7. To ensure that all employees have a complete understanding of and adhere to the hotel employee rules and regulations. 8. To ensure that all employees have a complete understanding of and adhere to the hotel policies relating to fire, hygiene, and safety. 9. To carry out any other reasonable duties and responsibilities as assigned. And there you have it, our exploration into the world of Arabic cooking comes to a close. We hope this journey through the rich tapestry of Middle Eastern flavors has left you inspired and hungry for more. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more culinary wisdom, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for our next adventure into the diverse realms of hospitality and gastronomy. Have thoughts to share or want to suggest the next culinary role for us to uncover? Drop them in the comments below. Until our next culinary escapade, may your kitchens be filled with the aroma of exotic spices, your culinary journey flourish, and your love for Middle Eastern cuisine thrive. This is Hospitality Island, signing off. Here's to the love of Arabic cooking.